how did you two wind up marrying brothers?
I told you Millie's house was a hangout, the bench in front of the house. So George and Sidney, I told you Sidney was her brother's best friend. And George was young, a few years younger. And he used to come around with his friends to the bench. So actually, I met him when I was 14. By 16, it was serious. We used to walk around the neighborhood, and I found out later that George lived. We used to walk past his house. His mother would see us sometimes. She used to say, "That little girl's going to be my daughter-in-law." I was very young then, but that's how it turned out. That was one thing, and that was it. Oh, occasionally I remember inviting him to a party that someone invited me to from school. That was a big thing. Wait, what else did we do? Oh, we used to go to Prospect Park. We used to go to free concerts at the Brooklyn Museum, and we used to go to, did you ever hear of the Davenport Theater? Oh, that was really something. It was a free theater. This Walter Davenport ran it. He had very melodramatic shows. All my friends went there too. We used to go to everything that was free. And if we did go to a theater, it was 55 cents, sitting in the balcony. We tried, you know,